am on vacation from supporting Aston Villa Football Club. It isn't even full time. We just went 3-0 down, though, to Crystal Palace. I don't know what to say. We are going on 6 hours. We've just passed 6 hours of football with no goal, or we're about to. Again, it's not full time yet, but I don't care. I don't know what to say. I really don't. I was very, in my video talking about this game, I said I was worried. Then I started to hear, like, oh, they were really leggy and whoever they were playing on Thursday night. I didn't see that. I mean, we started okay. We started positive in the first like 30 seconds, but it's just getting to that final third. Everything in the final third just sucks. Watkins is feeding on scraps, so I don't want to hear criticism for him. Yes, he had a chance he could have done better with, but aside from that, like, what clear cut chances did he have? I'm not remembering anything. It's just. I said I didn't want to go into an international break with. No one wants to go into an international break on a loss. Like, I'm well aware of that. But Villa Twitter and the Villa fan base love to. Like, it's going to be so toxic. And, I mean, I'm holding out hope and everything until after the transfer window is officially closed. But I just. I'm not liking what I'm seeing. I have notes. I guess I can go through what I wrote down. I got the lineup pretty much spot on, except for goalkeeper, but I didn't know Emi Martinez was going to be the subject to a late Manchester United bid. Our subs bench was about as deep as a kiddie pool. Buendia was our only senior attacker. Gasson did start, and I'm sure it's limiting his minutes. He's still getting used to the system. That I'm not all that concerned about. Um, Better tempo, though, at least in the first half, I thought. It was a penalty, unfortunately. I think we could have gone into halftime scoreless, but it, poor challenge. McGinn looked better in the middle, but conceding the penalty changed the game, unsurprisingly. It's just, I hate to say this, it feels like we're playing under Gerrard again. Like, at that time, we couldn't score to save our lives. We we set the record under Emery for most games scored since a new manager came in at like what, 20? And now again, 6 hours of no goals. This is going to be a rough season. I know it's 3 games. I know we still have 35 games left. But the fact that we are dropping so many points to for winnable games. Brentford was supposed to be 3 points. This was supposed to, I don't know, at least be a result. But now we're 3-0 down. I I don't know what we do from here. I mean, I know the transfer window's still open, but I am just so sick of it. I am taking one out of the B- playbook and going on vacation, at least in the league. I'm still going to watch every game. I'm still probably going to talk about Villa, but I'm not going to be letting it dictate as much time as it has been. This is just awful. I don't know what to say. I'll have some videos coming during the international break, but if the Europa League starts off crap, I am going on full vacation. I'm probably just going to stop watching. Like, I'll still keep up with the scores, but I can't keep putting myself through this. I hope you have a good Labor Day, and up the Villa, I guess, for now.